Welcome to a lecture, supergenius99.com. And today what we're going to do is look over some basic code for the basic variable types of numbers. Okay, so on the screen we have an int whose variable is num soda, amount due, which is a float, diameter of mirror, which is a double, length of bread, which is a decimal, and then we're outputting them to a console. That's why you see console right line. So when I click the play button, which executes, and then you'll see this screen right here showing the number of sodas equals 3, amount due, that number, diameter mirror, that number, and then length of bread. And if you want a dollar sign, then you can put that in the console, right? So next time we'll put a dollar sign for the amount due. Okay. Getting back to the code, and I'll go ahead and put a dollar sign in amount due. There's your dollar sign. Okay. So you can obviously do basic things which you do with regular numbers. You can add, subtract, multiply, divide. So let's say I want to add to the number soda. Let's add 3 more. So obviously, if I'm adding 3 more, then the result should be 3 plus 3, which is 6. And then let's say amount due, I'm going to multiply that by 2. So let's just do okay. And diameter mirror, I'm going to divide that by 4. So there I got add, multiply, divide, and then let's do a subtraction. Length of bread will subtract 1. Okay. And so that answer should be same number minus 1, so 5.98432, etc., etc. Okay. So now what I did was I added some basic math elements. Excuse me, some basic mathematical application, add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So now let's not leave that there. Let's go ahead and I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it underneath my console because I want to show the original number and then I want to show the new number. So that way I'm seeing the old and the new. Okay. So here we go. Here we go. All right. So the first set of control right line should give us the original. And then I'm going to put an extra space. And how about we'll do this? I'll just go ahead and start a new line. And I'll just put this, I'll call this original. Go ahead and give a little, I'm going to stylize my output here because I got style, right? Okay. All right, so let's stylize that. So let's call this original. Okay. Just like KFC, right? You got your original, you got your crispy. So it's going to be original. I know some of y'all getting hungry now. Okay. I can't. I'm trying to spell, y'all. See, this isn't a spelling. This isn't an English class. This is a programming class. So spelling's not required. So that's original, and this is extra crispy. Now this is new. Okay. And if you do go by KFC, give me some biscuits. Nah. All right. So there's original and there's new. Let's go ahead and we're going to run that. Okay. It's going kind of slow because I'm executing it, and I'm running the screen share here. So, which is why I encourage you to don't do both at the same time. If you need to, pause one and then run it. All right, so there's the output, and let me get the output to the screen so that you can see it. Let's see what we got here. All right, there you go. So you see the original num_sod equals 3, and then the new one added 6, and then the amount due. Okay, multiply that by 2. And notice how when you use a float, it doesn't say 6.50, it says 6.5. So there's a way to handle that. And we might do that another time. Diameter of mirror, there's that. I divided that one by 4. And then length of bread, 6.9, 432, etc. I subtracted 1, 5.984, right, etc. Okay, so that's a simple add, subtract, multiply, and divide on floats, integers, decimals, and we will do more in another. This was C# using Visual Studio.